Let's average some big numbers. You'll want your calculator ready. I went ahead and I took this nice little calculator. Actually, I didn't. I did it in my head, but I might have chosen to do the calculator. I didn't. I cannot stand a lie. I added those up, and I got 408. We don't need to put them in order because we're not finding the median, so it's fine to just leave them like this. The sum of all the numbers is 408. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers. So 408 divided by 6. Six goes into 46 times. Bring down the 8. 6 goes into 48 8 times. So the mean is 68, and I'm going to look up and see, we've got 60, 42, 60, 58, 88, 100, so that's reasonable to be somewhere in the average. The mode, what have we got the most of? Oh, we've got two 60s, so the mode is 60. Sometimes groups of numbers don't have a mode. They may not have any number repeated. Once again, we're finding the missing number in a group of numbers when we already know the average. I got you started on 7. You're welcome to write that down if you want. In fact, let's go ahead and just do number 7. We'll just finish the whole thing since we did all this. If the average or mean is 8, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers, then the total would have to be 8 times 4, which is not 24. Actually, it is 32. One, 2, 3, 4. 10, 20, 23, 24, 5, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Okay, so interesting. Good thing we did this one. So the 3 numbers that we have, those 3 numbers already add up to 32. So if we need a sum of 32, and we already have 32 accounted for, then we have 0 left. Therefore, the missing number would have to be 0. And I guess that's reasonable because these numbers are so big. You have to have something really small to make up for the really big ones. Number 8. We've got 3 numbers, 2 of which we know, and the average is 20. If the average is 20, then the sum of all 3 numbers would have to be 20 times 3, 60. I added these, and so far we've accounted for 56. So what's left? We need 60, we've got 56. That leaves 4. So therefore, the missing number will have to be 4. Number 9. They're making this extra challenging. Number 9. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. If the average is 11, then we need 11 times 4, 44 points. Right now, we've accounted for 28 of the points. So if we need 44 points, let's take away what we have and we'll find out what's left. It'll be 14 minus 8 is 6. Okay, that's reasonable, 16. The missing number is 16. And now, number 12. This one's going to be small. The average is 3. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. So 3 times 5 tells us we'll need 15 points. Right now, 8, 9, we have 15 points. They like 0, huh? So if we need 15, we'll take away what we have, and that leaves 0. So that missing number is, again, 0. There are a few more for you to do.